A very happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. They say your child is your reflection. They don't do what you say, they do what they see. I am also blessed with two wonderful children, Saish and Kabir. This Mother's Day, they surprised me with a wonderful gift. They not only baked a cake for me, instead, they also recorded the same on my phone. So, there is where I saw my reflection in them, and I wanted to share that with you all. So, here I am sharing with you their recipe, made by them, shot by them, presented by them. Hope you all like it.
स्वागत है आपका हमारी मम्मा की किचन में जहाँ खाना प्यार से बनता है। और मैं हूँ आपके दोस्त साइशा सेतिया और मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त कबीर सेतिया।
Today we are making mini Oreo cake, so let's start. First, we will put some crushed Oreos. Now we will put some crushed sugar. I have put just 1 spoon because Oreo is already so sweet, so I don't want to make a lot of sweet. Now we have to mix it. Now we will add some milk. We will not add milk directly. We will wait till it is formed the dough and we will put it step by step. Now we are adding 1 spoon only, so check if it don't get too wet. Now we will not put one spoon because I noticed that it will be too hard, so we will add step by step till it don't be a dough. Now we are trying to make it do it. I can feel that it is not like a dough. We need to put some more milk. Now we are adding more milk. Now we have added 1 spoon of milk. Now we are mixing it. Now we mixed it and now we think that it is forming a dough, so we will try to make it type of dough. So let's go. We thought that it would be better when we make it liquid. Before it was like a dough, I said, but now we made like a syrup. So see, we added more milk. Now it is like syrup, like we bring Hershey's, that is the same consistency. So I will transfer it in a bowl. And make sure you will put some ghee inside the container, so when we bake it, after that it don't stick to the container. You can make 1 layer also, but I am making 2-layer cake. So first I will put only 1 layer. Now we will microwave it. Now I have done microwaving and now I have taken it out. Now it is very nice, so our first layer is ready. To check that it's baked really good, so I am putting a toothpick to check. If the toothpick is dirty, mean it is not baked, but when it is not, mean it is baked. So it is not dirty means the cake has baked. So I am gonna remove the first layer. Now we have taken out. Now it has cooled down, so we will put the second layer in the bowl. Now we are putting in. Now we have again put the second layer in the microwave. Now we will microwave it. Now I am again checking that is it nice or we will need to bake it. It is good. So now we will keep it to cool down and we will put the second layer in the plate like the first layer, then we will decorate it. Now I whipped some cream and now I am gonna take some and put these on so I can stick them layer by layer. So let's stick them. So we are spreading the whipped cream, and if you want to make whipped cream you can buy Amul fresh cream and chill it for 1 hour in the fridge. Then you can take it out and put it in a bowl and take a larger bowl and put some ices in it and put the bowl with whipped cream on it so it will chill. So then whip it, then it will be whipped cream. Then you can put cocoa powder or you can make a chocolate flavor or you can put vanilla extract or essence to make it vanilla. So I have put vanilla essence. Now we spread it inside, so we flipped the second layer on it. Now we are covering it with the leftover whipped cream. So you need to cover all the sides and the top and you can put like this, like we are putting. Now it is done. If you are a professional in spreading whipped cream, so you can do it very smooth, but when I was baking it in the oven, so when I was taking it out from the bowl, it broke. So I thought that I will do it straight, but I couldn't. I tried many times, but the whipped cream came off again and again. So I thought that this solution will be good only, that I will do like this. So now it is ready to serve. So my mini cake is ready and I can show you how small it is. My pan is this big and the cake is this big. In this process only I exchanged the biscuits. I just changed that I didn't use Oreo, I used Parle-G. This one is Oreo and I tried it with Parle-G. So I did the same process. In this it was Oreo and in this it was Parle-G, and it's it same process. So now I'll decorate it with cream. It was very upar niche you saw. So now I put more whipped cream on it. So now it is looking smooth. Now I'm gonna deal with the second cake also. Now we are gonna decorate it with some gems. Now we are gonna put some gems on it. Now we completed the Oreo cake. Now we will complete the Parle-G cake. Now we completed both the cakes and I put some golden edible beads. If you don't have it, it's okay, you can only decorate it with gems. So our recipes are done. Bye.